Someone tells you your computer needs more RAM. You nod like you understand. You don't. You just know it sounds expensive and important. So let's clear it up fast. RAM, short for Random Access Memory, is your computer's short-term working memory. The key word is working. It holds everything your computer is actively using right now: your operating system, open browser tabs, running apps, and the file you're editing this second. Think of RAM like a desk. Storage, your SSD or hard drive, is a filing cabinet. The desk is much smaller, but it's right in front of you and incredibly fast. When something is on the desk, you can work instantly. When it's in the filing cabinet, you have to stand up, walk over, and dig for it. Here's why RAM size matters. When your desk fills up, your computer doesn't stop working. It starts using your storage drive as overflow space. This is called virtual memory, or a swap file. The problem is speed. Even a fast SSD is dramatically slower than RAM, easily 10 to 100 times slower for this kind of constant back and forth work. So picture this. You have 8 gigabytes of RAM. You open Chrome with 15 tabs, plus Spotify, Slack, and maybe a design or photo app. You've run out of desk space. Now, every time you switch apps, your computer has to shove things off the desk into the filing cabinet, then pull something else back out. That juggling causes lag, freezes, and the spinning beach ball or loading cursor everyone hates. Add more RAM, and suddenly your active apps all fit on the desk. App switching feels instant. Everything just feels smoother because your computer isn't constantly moving data around. RAM speed does matter, and it's measured in megahertz or MT per second. But for most people, having enough RAM matters far more than having fast RAM. In 2026, here's the simple rule. 8 gigabytes is survivable for light use. 16 gigabytes is the sweet spot for everyday work. 32 gigabytes makes a real difference if you multitask heavily or run demanding apps. It's often one of the cheapest, highest impact upgrades you can make. So how much RAM does your main computer have right now? And does it ever slow down?